How to find your saved passwords on an Android phone. If you've forgotten a login password for an app or website, you can easily view it using Google Password Manager. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Google, then select Password Manager. On some versions, you can also use the search bar in Settings and search for Password Manager to open it directly. Inside Google Password Manager, you'll see a list of websites and apps with saved login information. Tap the account you want to view. For security, you'll be asked to verify your identity using your fingerprint, face unlock, or device PIN. Once verified, tap the eye icon next to the password to reveal it. You can also copy, edit, or delete the saved password if needed. If you don't see the password you're looking for, make sure you were signed in with the correct Google account when the password was originally saved. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find and manage your saved passwords on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.